Let's go and see what DJI has for us. They are right here, and as soon as you enter, this gigantic robot arm gets your attention. It's connected to a Ronin. It's doing some crazy stunts.
Yeah, we're here to collaborate with DJI for their system on our arm.
This is what's happening.
Hi, this is Sarm with DJI. Today I'm going to show you guys with the latest version of the Ronin S. After CES, we've sent out prototype units out and asked for feedbacks. And then we keep continuously improving our product. Then this is what it is. So the final version, close up to final version that you can see from here, we added the focus control module and actually pose focus with it. And there is a screen module that's accessory optional. Then you can actually see the actual joystick input in real time and set up the gimbal through its built-in menu. Like you can set up the motor parameters, set up smooth track, and the best thing is you can set up camera parameters on supported models such as a Panasonic GH5.
How about Sony?
Well, we're still under negotiation with Sony and we'll make it work. We want to make it work.
That means I'm in.
Yeah, we want to make it work. So as for payload, we tried 8 pounds on it and we couldn't find a limit yet, so maybe stay tuned and we'll let you guys know more about it.
That's amazing. All right, and then what do we have here?
Here is the brand new DJI Force Pro. Sorry about a sticker. So this is basically IMU based remote controller. Allows you to duplicate your movement on a tripod stand or from a handlebar over there and duplicate it onto a remote gimbal. The Force Pro here is connected to the Ronin 2 on site, and then you can actually see me doing this pan movements. Tilt on all 3 axes. The latency of this device is down to 10 milliseconds, so it's always happening in real time. And also the speed is adjustable on here, so you can actually adjust the speed, like you want it to go faster on a tilt axis. It's more responsive and faster. When you tune it down, it's slower. The Force Pro has the built-in 2.5 and 5.8 gigahertz antenna. As long as you can connect it to a wireless receiver that comes in a package, you can extend your control range up to 2 miles.
2 miles?
Yeah, 2 miles away.
Is it going to work with Ronin S?
Yes, it will work with Ronin S through the external receiver. That's an optional add-on for Ronin S package, or if you just buy the Force Pro, it comes with a package.
And I think we have another toy over there.
The other one here is the brand new Master View. It comes with 3 control modules if you buy the premium package. It allows you to control all 3 axes of the gimbal. Speed is totally adjustable. You can quickly adjust the speed through the dials here. Or you can turn it down to be very soft and gentle.
That's beautiful.
So this system can be compatible with the Inspire 2 system as well. We're currently developing a new firmware for it, so in the future when we start shipping, you can actually not just control the Ronin 2, but also the Inspire system in the air. With the X7 camera, you can capture something new with the old method that you're familiar to. And on the panel here, we have the motion control built in. Let me show you. So now I'm gonna start recording by pressing this button, and it shows an indicator of how much time I have left. So I will pan the gimbal and then tilt the gimbal, and then I think it's about time. Then I press this again to stop recording. When I hit playback, it will go back to one of the positions, and then it will start doing what I just did. That's the way I did it.
Oh yeah.
And then it will stop at the end of the clip. So all the time you just need to hit this playback and it will go back to that and start doing it all over again. All 3 axis movements will be recorded, so you don't need to worry about everything. And the speed is totally controlled by you. So you're just replicating the perfect clip that you've done and you're doing it multiple times.
Friction is adjustable too?
Yeah, through this knob. So pick this tab.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, the friction to maximum is so stiff. So basically there is no room for error. Or you can do this. Yeah. Or you can do that. continuous pan axis rotation.
It's a lot of fun. But serious. Fun but serious, yeah. Just like skateboarding, yeah.
That's a robotic arm from a third party, and we've been partnering with them to develop our motion control technology. So as you can see there, the Ronin 2 is on there and it's totally stabilized. And from the footage, you can pretty much pre-program everything, angle, speed, whatever.
Well, thank you, Soren, for all this information.
Thank you.
And when are they coming out?
So Force Pro and the wheels will start shipping in June. And as for the Ronin S, we'll announce more info on availability and pricing in early May.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thank you.
This year, NAB was dominated by these stabilizers, robotic arms, and intelligent sliders. I think it is very exciting. These tools will help people create great looking content. And I just can't wait to get my hands on Ronin S. Well, thank you very much for watching this NAB 2018 special video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think about DJI's new toys. Please let me know what you think about these stabilizers, robotic arms, and intelligent sliders in the comment section below. And until I see you the next time, take really good care of yourselves and hoşça kalın. I just did that gesture with my hand, even though this is a voiceover.